Hello, well, guess who and guess what? Well, the guess who is me, Robbie Susan Chandler, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. If you live in the area, I hold classes in my home on Sunday, Mondays, and Thursdays. Sundays at 1:30, Mondays at 12, and Thursdays at noon and 5 o'clock. So come on over and join us sometime. We'd love to have you. So now let's look at the what today. Look at this gorgeous card we're going to make. Now, you look at it and it doesn't look like you can, all the little secret things we're going to do here today. But when you get up close to this, you can kind of get an idea. See it sideways? So let me start the process and show you exactly how to do this card. Let me move this out of the way. All right, to begin with, and let me show you the inside. Here's the inside. Now, when I do insides lots of times, I like to stamp like this flower here. I like to do it as a background, and in this case I did it in smoky slate just to get a little background there. Now the white piece here, and we had to cut four by 5.5 basic white pieces, and this is one of them, and it was cut with a die from Textured Notes, this one right here, and I've already stamped it. There it is. So let's see what size this is. I think this is probably like next to the largest. Yeah, that would be the next to the largest one. I love this set, and I think it's on last chance, so go out there and grab it if you don't have it. Now, my sentiments are from the Happy Birthdays from Unbounded Love. It's right down here, and all this is stamped in Berry Burst. And then the It's Your Day is from Coneflower Celebration, and I believe both of these are also on last chance. Alright, so that takes care of the inside. Now let's go back to the front. Okay, our card base, Berry Burst, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Just your basic card base. Okay, now let's look at our layers. Like I said, you will need 4 basic white pieces. Now this is what you're going to do. Here's the die that I used. It's from the Forever Florals, and it looks like this. It's a full front die. So you're going to cut one of the white pieces, and you'll have this. So this is kind of going to be count as a dimensional, because it's going to go under our printed piece. Alright, so then you're going to stamp another basic white piece with the whole artwork there, and this is from Fragrant Layers. So first I stamped this in Secret C, then I stamped the filling on the flowers in Berry Burst, and then I added the leaves in Garden Green. So here's the Garden Green, the Berry Burst, and then the outline of Secret C, and then I colored the centers with dark Daffodil Delight. And obviously, as you can look at it, you can see I coated it with a lot of Wink Stella. And then also this stamp from Boardwalk Fun, Celebrate, was stamped in the middle. Okay, so we have one that we've cut just plain white. Then we stamp everything on the second one, and then we cut it. Now you say, well, what are we going to do with that center? Well, it gets cut out, but what I did, we actually cut it in a circle and we put it on the back of the card. So we're going to cut this, and when you do, you end up with a piece that looks like this. Now you think that doesn't look like much. It looks kind of weird, doesn't it? But what you do, you adhere these two together. And that's what I was talking about, the bottom one. And these two are out of thick basic white. Now the bottom one, this is regular basic white. So we're adhere these two together, and we'll make it a little bit thick, and if you want it even thicker, you could do 3 of them. So I've got one adhere together here. And so see, it looks like that. And then you're going to glue it down to this piece. And look, when you put it on top, look how pretty that is. It just matches right up, and I've got one glued down right here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I also added these little sequins, and they're called, let's see, what are they? Purple adhesive back sequins. So I stuck those down to add a little bling, as if we don't already have enough bling. So let's just put this on the front of our card. And I found, you know, another demonstrator did this where she stamped and then cut with the die. And I thought, well, that's a really interesting concept. I like that. And it, you know, as long as you put the little filler pieces underneath to fill it in, it gives it kind of a lacy look. You know, I think in clothing they might call it burnout, a burnout look, where the fabric is kind of burned out and you have a floral underneath. So there we go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope you'll try this. It was really fun. You know, just find you a pretty floral stamp or any kind of stamp and stamp on your piece and then cut it out and put a solid piece underneath. So please like my video and share it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll have links to all the supplies below. And if you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. And if you'd like to be on a team, I'd love to be your team leader. So until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and happy crafting.